back to another episode from Chanel's World. We're in the kitchen today making some chicken wings, and today I have in the kitchen with me my son.
Man, we about to make some fried chicken. It's your boy BDG Jill. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna show you how a young king really do this, cause I don't need no woman. I can do it all by myself. And I'm gonna show you how to fry some chicken hard the first time. We're gonna dry this chicken off. We're gonna pat it dry, and we're gonna take it over to the nice flour, seasoned flour. We'll see you over there. Go egg into our flour. Nice generous amount. Make sure it's evenly coated, because I want my chicken nice and crispy. And now we're into the grease. And now I'm going to have my little sister try. So, egg, whip it around. And let's go into the flour. Come on, let's get it coated. Get it coated. Ooh. Another one. Egg.
And the egg.
Oh.
You flip it around. And then the flour.
In there. Let's put it in the grease. Good job. So we're going to make a special sauce to go with our wings. If you don't like the sauce, you can skip it. We like sauce over here. I'll throw a little bit of that garlic on there. Some of that Dan-O's in there, because you know it's good. At least we're going to end it with some hot sauce. you know how to balance your flavors. Hit it with a little citrus, the lime, to give it that extra. Now I'm gonna give this a bit. And that's the end of the video. Good crispy wings.